Have you ever pondered on the importance of wisdom and virtue in life? Today we delve into Proverbs 31 verse by verse. This exceptional chapter in the Bible often goes by the names virtuous woman or wife of noble character. It paints a vivid picture of an ideal woman, brimming with qualities like strength, wisdom, kindness, and resourcefulness. But it's not just about the characteristics. It's about the practical advice it offers for leading a virtuous and fulfilling life. Imagine a woman who's more precious than jewels, one who garners the trust of her husband, who's diligent and kind, a loving mother, and a wise teacher. That's the essence of the woman described in Proverbs 31. It's a treasure trove of wisdom and guidance that has inspired countless individuals throughout history. Let's begin our journey through this enlightening chapter, verse by verse. Verse 10 proclaims, "An excellent wife who can find, she is far more precious than jewels." This verse sets the stage, acknowledging the irreplaceable value of a virtuous woman. It's not about her physical beauty or worldly wealth, but her character, which is compared to precious jewels. Moving to verses 11 and 12, "The heart of her husband trusts in her, and he will have no lack of gain. She does him good and not harm, all the days of her life." Here we see the themes of trust and respect. A virtuous woman brings peace and prosperity to her husband, not because she's obligated to, but out of love. Verses 16 through 18 read, "She considers a field and buys it. With the fruit of her hands she plants a vineyard. She dresses herself with strength and makes her arms strong." These verses emphasize hard work, diligence, and resourcefulness. Our virtuous woman is not a passive character, but a proactive and industrious one. Finally, verses 26 and 27 state, "She opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. She looks well to the ways of her household, and does not eat the bread of idleness." Here, wisdom, kindness, and responsibility are highlighted. She's not just wise, but also kind in her teachings. She takes care of her household, not out of duty, but out of love and responsibility. These verses not only describe an ideal woman, but also offer practical advice for living a virtuous and fulfilling life. As we conclude our exploration of Proverbs 31, we reflect on its key teachings. This profound passage paints a picture of the virtuous woman, full of wisdom, kindness, and strength. From being a trusted partner and a nurturing mother, to a diligent worker and a wise teacher, she embodies virtues that we all can aspire to. May we all strive to embody these qualities, becoming individuals who are far more precious than jewels, not only in the eyes of our loved ones, but in the eyes of God.